Modern rug cleaning often involves toxic chemicals. Knowing each rug holds its own history and journey to grace your home, the specialist's Sacramento Oriental Rug Cleaning has taken proven cleaning crafts and infused our earth-friendly, private label cleansers to foster a healthy and safe cleaning for your rug, home, and most importantly, your family. We gently and effectively wash rugs using a technique that mimics the delicate motion of hand and river washing, gently releasing soil and other particulates. To avoid cross-contamination and dye transfer, each rug is handled one at a time. A freshwater rinse is used to thoroughly remove any residual soil. Our specialists set the pile by grooming the fibers to lay beautifully in their natural direction. Details are not missed in our rug finishing process, as we hang dry and comb the fringes during the drying phase. Post-inspection and final touches are completed by our specialists to ensure your rug is in the best condition for your home. In addition to cleaning, we'll educate you on how to maintain and identify your rug, from frequency of cleaning, rotating for even wear, and samples of our rug padding to extend its enjoyment for generations to come. Feel free to call with questions anytime. We look forward to hearing from you.